Hi there folks, Motors&Me here. So about a month and almost 2,000 kilometers ago I blanked EGR on my Ford, and a lot of you have been asking how it's been doing so far. And I would say good. There's been no check engine light, car is running much smoother, accelerates better. Before blanking it had this spot where you press the gas pedal and you had to wait for 1 or 2 seconds before the car started to do something. Now you can feel immediate response. In fact, when I started this channel, I posted a video about an issue I have in my Ford where sometimes it would have this RPM drop when accelerating from 0, and on top of that, when you would rev it in neutral, the RPMs would climb unevenly. And now, after blanking the EGR, that problem seems to have disappeared. Now, I don't know whether that was because of a faulty EGR or maybe something else, and that this is probably a temporary fix, but either way, I'll probably have the EGR be mapped out sometimes later this year or early next year, and maybe even do an ECU remap. But that's stuff for another video. One more thing though. About 2 weeks after I blanked EGR, I noticed this brown, whatever that is, coming out from between the tube and this very thin little metal plate there. I guess it's just an exhaust leak. I left the plate there because I thought it served a purpose, but I don't think it does. So I will remove it in the next couple of days and see if that fixes the leak. Alright, that's it for today, viewers. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them. And if you find this video was useful to you, please hit the subscribe button and see you next time.